4.17% return over 66 days on Boston Scientific. Now, look, this might not be the most explosive or the dramatic trade on our proof record, but in this game, a win is a win and the discipline is everything. As always, this channel documents every single momentum swing trade live so you can judge the system yourself. I build a trading system, I call it Momentum Swing Score. I know it works. This channel is my public proof. Every trade is documented live from entry to exit. No editing history, no hitting losses, just the raw record. Watch me to prove it and you will be the witness live and public. Quick reminder, this is for educational purposes and paper trading only, not financial advice. And with this BSX exit, our official proof record now stands for the closed trades, 38 wins, just 2 losses, and a 95% win rate. This is what a live, verified momentum swing trading system looks like. So let's walk through the story on the Boston Scientific, ticker BSX. Boston Scientific is one of the largest medical device companies in the world. They have a very strong revenue and very solid businesses, and they've been continuously beating their earnings quarter by quarter. I entered this position on July 1st at $47.75, and I decided to exit $49.74 after 66 days, and it's going to bring me 4.17% gain, paper trade gain. As you can see that here, we close it. So close position $49.74, and again approximately $600 paper trade gain and 4.17% return. So why did I decide to close it out today? A couple of reasons came together, and one of the biggest reason is I see there is a strong resistance around $50. The stock is trying to go above a little bit and then pull back again. And yesterday also stock pulled back around 4% and almost touching to their strong support level $47.23. I was watching actually very closely yesterday. And this morning when he go back another almost 4.5%, I decided to exit. As I said, the first reason was seems like a strong support level around $50, and the biggest actually reason is the Bollinger Band. The stock is touch upper band of the Bollinger Band. Actually, it's been touching in the last 2-3 days, and when usually those bands, if you can see it, extremely tight, upper and the lower band very close each other, extremely tightness. When it happens, I expect some explosive move, maybe up, maybe down, such as here. If you can see it here, like, the stock is gapped down and there is a upper band is immediately take a big volatility and take a big upside shift. So I'm expecting to happen something like that. Again, it might be maybe the good way. The stock maybe go up to my other price target, my first price target, actually maybe $53. But seems like the stock is pulling down and hitting to resistance level. So that's the reason I decided to exit and take the 4.17% profit. I know this is not like a kind of fancy 15% close like I did yesterday with the Oracle. 4.17%, 66 days is still not super attractive. But as I said from the beginning, win is a win. And I think that was a good setup. Not so much drama, not so much up and down, and it's gave me the good return end of the day. So quick question for you. BSX took 66 days to deliver a 4.17% return. Would you have had a patience to hold through this stock for that return, or would you have cut it earlier? Please drop your thoughts below and I will reply every single of them. So far currently I have still trade 3 position opens. If you follow this channel, you may already know 3 position left at that moment. I have a Tesla, I have a Meta, and I have a Netflix. You can find those videos, entry videos for those 3 stocks. You can also find Boston Scientific as well. When I entered June 1st, you can find those entry videos. So I post the exit video the moment I close the trade. Win or loss, always Please subscribe to follow the live proof record step by step. You are the witness, and just the system here, just the proof, no hype. I will see you next trade, and thank you so much for watching.